A 100 outer diameter steel coil spring having 10 active coils of 15 diameter wire is in contact with a 800 long steel cantilever spring having 6 graduated leaves of 150 wide and 8 thick as shown in figure. Here they are given 100 meter outer diameter steel coil spring. So here you can see that the 100 diameter steel coil spring having 10 active coils. So the outer diameter of coil helical spring is 100 having 10 active coils. I is the number of active coils, 10 of 15 diameter wire. Wire diameter is 15 is in contact with a 800 long steel cantilever spring. So the length of the steel cantilever spring is 800 L is equal to 800 having 6 graduated leaves of 150 wide. We shall call this as I dash. 6 graduated leaves of 150 wide. So the width is 150 we shall take it as B dash 150 and the thickness H is 8 Find what force, if gradually applied to the top of the coil spring, will cause a deflection of 25 in the cantilever. So they are asking us to find the force which is applied on the top of the helical coil spring that will cause a deflection of 25 in the cantilever beam. So we have to find the force applied. Also, what will be the maximum shear stress in the coil spring? So they are asking us to find the maximum shear stress. Maximum shear stress is tau. Take E is equal to 2.1 into 10 power 5 MPa. They are not given. We shall take it as E. E is equal to 2.1 into 10 power 5 MPa. So first we shall find the force acting on the cantilever spring. So here they are asking us to find the force acting on the cantilever spring. So they are asking us to find the force gradually applied on top of the coil spring that will cause a deflection of 25 in the cantilever. So we shall take cantilever beam. In question they have given this figure. They have given 6 number of leaf springs and 1 helical coil spring. We shall take the deflection for multiple leaf spring. We shall take the maximum deflection y is equal to C2Fl cube, this formula. This formula is from equation 11.28c, page number 180. So before proceeding we have to find C2. In question they have given this arrangement. So from this figure we can take either A or B, because here they have given the section like this. We shall consider the second figure B. We shall consider this figure, and from page number 198 we have from table 11.9 C1 and C2. It is for figure 11.10 B 6. We shall take C1 and C2 as 6. So this is from table 11.9 B, page number 198, and figure 11.10, page number 180. So we shall find the deflection In question they have given the deflection. It will cause deflection of 25 mm. They have given the deflection as 25 mm. 25 is equal to 6 into F. We shall call this as F cantilever. Into L, they have given in question as 800 mm. L cube divided by E, they have given 2.1 into 10 power 5. I is number of leaf springs 6 and B dash 150. H cube is 8 cube. So the force F cantilever beam F is 787.5. Next they are asking us to find the maximum shear stress in the coil spring. So shear stress in coil spring is, we shall take the formula which we are taking earlier. The shear stress in the helical spring, tau is equal to 8F dk by pi d cube. We shall take this formula. Earlier we were taking this while solving helical coil problems. This equation is 11.1d, page number 169. So to proceed with this problem, we have to find the value of k, we have to find the d. We know that d naught is equal to d plus d. D naught is equal to d plus d. Di is equal to d minus d. In question they have given d naught as 100 . So the value of d becomes 85 mm. We shall find C, spring index, that is d by d, 85 by 15. So the value of C becomes 5.67. Now we shall find the value of K. K will take this equation 11.2a. Earlier also we were taking this equation for helical coil springs. K is equal to 4c minus 1 by 4c minus 4 plus 0.615 by C. So this equation is 11.2a, page number 169. So K is equal to 4 into 5.67 minus 1 by 4 into 5.67 minus 4 plus 0.615 by 5.67. K is equal to, we will get the value of K as 1.27. Now we shall find the value of tau. $787.5. F is we are taking from F cantilever, we have found out. D is 85 and K is 1.27 divided by pi d cube. Small d is 15 cube. So the value of shear stress tau is given by 64.1 MPa.